Ford, I tell you, they don't help you. You read your owner's manual and it lets you try to figure out the rest. So I'm going to help you find where the driver's and engine compartment fuse box is, okay? So this one's pretty easy. You got to be real easy not to break the clips back here. And it's right next to this red thing and right next to your fluid. And you just push these little clips. All right. After I took everything else apart, you got your little cup holder, steering wheel. You know, they don't tell you what to pull off and you're afraid to break plastic if they have screws. So this whole panel here, you just kind of take a screwdriver in here and you start popping all those and they come out pretty much by hand. Then you go way under here, you'll see this covered in black and you got 3 bottom, middle, and 1 way up top. So my approach was to take a, where the heck is it, screwdriver, equalizer, and I came up through the pedals. How did I get there? And trying to release these from the back end. Somehow I got the door off, okay? And then there's your fuse box. When you're looking at your manual, like, they don't tell you much. There's 4. An engine, a driver, a passenger, and a body panel. And then, by the way, if you're looking for your 12 volt, oh, this thing won't focus. Oh, iPhone stinks. Instead of saying 12 volt, it'll say auxiliary power point, the one with the USB cord. Down here, there's one without the USB cord. It's a 40 amp breaker, and you look for number 25 or number 11 over here on the map, which is how I found the 2 in the engine compartment. Good luck.